welcome back to our channel. If you're unemployed, underemployed, or just need some extra cash, you're in the right place. I have found some flexible gig companies that let you earn extra cash on your own terms. We'll explore popular food delivery services that offer exciting opportunities for independent contractors. So, stick around to find out which of these services might be the perfect fit for your side hustle journey. And remember to subscribe and like, so I can give you a shout out in the next video. Let's dive in. Number 1, Postmates. Postmates is a food delivery service that allows you to enjoy the perks of setting your own schedule, making it perfect for those with busy lives or other commitments. Plus, with a range of delivery options from food to groceries and even alcohol, you'll always have a variety of deliveries to choose from. Getting started is simple. All you need is a valid driver's license, a car in good condition, and a smartphone with the Postmates app. Once you're approved, you'll receive delivery requests through the app. Pick the ones that work for you, and you're on your way. Postmates drivers earn between $10 and $25 per delivery, plus tips from customers adding to your income. And if you're all about bonuses, Postmates offers various incentives, like completing a certain number of deliveries or working during peak hours. You will have flexible scheduling, diverse delivery options, the ability to cash out your earnings daily, and you must have excellent customer service skills. Plus, there's no rating system, so you won't be penalized for mistakes. Postmates availability is limited to select cities, and you'll need a car in good condition for deliveries. So if you're looking for a rewarding gig with a reliable company, Postmates might be the perfect fit for you. Their site is postmates.com. Number 2 is DoorDash. DoorDash is a popular food delivery service available in over 4,000 cities across the US and Canada. As a DoorDash driver, you're in control of your schedule. Work as much or as little as you want and enjoy a variety of restaurants to choose from. Getting started is a breeze. Just meet the driver requirements, download the DoorDash app, and you're ready to roll. When you accept a delivery request, the app guides you to the pickup and delivery locations. Payment is per delivery, with earnings ranging from $10 to $25, along with tips. And with flexible scheduling, you're in charge of your earning potential. You will enjoy flexible scheduling, a variety of restaurant partnerships, the opportunity for bonuses, and excellent customer service. Plus, DoorDash sets a default tip rate of 15%. Like Postmates, DoorDash is currently available only in select cities, and you'll need a car in good condition. With DoorDash, you're joining a community that values your dedication to delivering delicious meals. Their site is DoorDash.com. Number 3 is Uber Eats. As an Uber Eats driver, you'll enjoy setting your own schedule and delivering food to hungry customers. Getting started is easy. If you're at least 19 years old, have a valid driver's license, a car in good condition, and a smartphone with the Uber Eats app, you're ready to hit the road. You'll receive delivery requests through the app. Choose the ones that fit your schedule, and the app will guide you to the pickup and delivery spots. Enjoy flexible scheduling, a variety of restaurant options, the chance for bonuses, and outstanding customer service. Also, Uber Eats boasts a default tip rate of 15%. Uber Eats is available only in certain cities and requires a car in good condition. With Uber Eats, you're joining a global network that connects you with customers craving delicious eats. Their site is ubereats.com. Number 4 is Instacart. Instacart is a new go-to grocery delivery service. With its available all across the U.S., Instacart has become a household name for those looking for convenient grocery shopping. To become an Instacart shopper, you need to meet a few basic requirements. Be at least 18 years old, have a valid driver's license, own a car in good condition, pass a background check, possess a smartphone with the Instacart app. Once approved, you'll start receiving delivery requests through the app. You have the freedom to choose which requests you want to accept, making it a great option for those with busy schedules or other commitments. The app guides you to the grocery store for pickup, and then to the customer's location for delivery. Instacart shoppers are paid per delivery, with earnings typically ranging from $10 to $25 per order. On top of that, customers often provide tips that add to your income. As an Instacart shopper, you'll enjoy flexible scheduling, a variety of store options, excellent customer service, and opportunities for bonuses. You have flexible scheduling with a variety of stores, opportunities for bonuses, and excellent customer service. However, it has limited availability in select cities, so check their site to succeed as an Instacart shopper. Remember to be punctual, professional, and responsive to customer requests. Handle groceries with care, and you'll be on your way to earning extra money while helping others in your community. Their site is instacart.com. 5 is Grubhub. Grubhub is a popular food delivery service. With its presence in over 4,000 cities across the U.S., Grubhub has become a go-to option for satisfying food cravings. To become a Grubhub driver, you'll need to meet these criteria: be at least 19 years old, hold a valid driver's license, own a car in good condition, pass a background check, and possess a smartphone with the Grubhub app. Once approved, you'll start receiving food delivery requests through the app. You will have the flexibility to choose the requests that align with your availability. The app guides you to the restaurant for pickup and then to the customer's location for delivery. Grubhub drivers earn per delivery, with potential earnings ranging from $10 to $26 per hour, including customer tips. Similar to Instacart, you'll enjoy flexible scheduling, a variety of restaurant options, bonus opportunities, great customer service. You will have flexible scheduling, a variety of restaurants, opportunities for bonuses, and excellent customer service. However, it has limited availability in select cities, and you must meet their vehicle requirement. To make the most of your Grubhub experience, prioritize punctuality, professionalism, and friendly interactions with customers. Handle food orders with care, and you'll not only earn money, but also earn positive reviews from satisfied customers. Their site is grubhub.com. 6 is Shipt. Shipt is a grocery delivery service that services over 500 cities across the U.S. Shipt is a major contender in the grocery delivery space. To become a Shipt shopper, you need be at least 18 years old, possess a valid driver's license, have a car in good condition, pass a background check, and use a smartphone with the Shipt app. Once you're on board, you'll receive delivery requests via the Shipt app. Like the other services, you have the flexibility to choose which requests you want to fulfill. The app guides you to the grocery store for order pickup and then to the customer's address for delivery. Shipt shoppers are compensated per delivery, with earnings typically falling between $10 and $20 per order. Just like Instacart and Grubhub, you'll also have the opportunity to receive tips from satisfied customers. You'll also enjoy flexible scheduling, a variety of store options, excellent customer service, and chances for earning bonuses. Shipt offers flexible scheduling, a variety of stores, opportunities for bonuses, and excellent customer service. However, it has limited availability in select cities. To excel as a Shipt shopper, prioritize punctuality, professionalism, and attentive customer service. Handle groceries with care, and you'll not only earn extra income but also contribute to the convenience of your community. Their site is shipt.com. 7 is Saucey. Saucey is an alcohol delivery service. Operating in over 200 cities across the U.S., Saucey has become a go-to option for those looking to enjoy their favorite drinks from the comfort of their homes. To become a Saucey driver, you'll need to meet these requirements: be at least 21 years old, hold a valid driver's license, have a car in good condition, pass a background check, and use a smartphone with the Saucey app. Once you're approved, the Saucey app will start sending alcohol delivery requests your way. You'll have the flexibility to accept the orders that fit your schedule. The app guides you to the liquor store for order pickup and then to the customer's location for delivery. Saucey drivers are compensated per delivery, with earnings typically ranging from $15 to $25 per order. In addition to the pay, you'll enjoy flexible scheduling, a variety of alcohol options, exceptional customer service, and opportunities for earning bonuses. as a Saucey driver. You have flexible scheduling, a variety of alcohol options, excellent customer service, and opportunity for bonuses. However, it has limited availability in select cities. An age restriction. You must be at least 21 years old. To succeed as a Saucey driver, prioritize punctuality, professionalism, and responsible handling of alcohol. Uphold excellent customer service and you'll not only make money, but also contribute to enjoyable evenings for customers. Their site is saucey.com number 8. Is caviar, however, I remove caviar information because they are now part of DoorDash. Their site is listed, however, it links back to DoorDash. You can apply from their site, trycaviar.com. Number 9 is Favor Delivery. Favor Delivery is a prominent player in the food and grocery delivery service. Their service operates exclusively in Texas and offers a variety of delivery options. To become a Favor Delivery driver, you need to be at least 18 years old, hold a valid driver's license, own a car in good condition, pass a background check, and have a smartphone with the Favor Delivery app. Once approved, you'll start receiving delivery requests through the Favor Delivery app. It's your call whether to accept or decline based on your availability. Favor Delivery drivers are paid per delivery, with pay varying by distance and time of day. Generally, drivers can earn between $10 and $20 per delivery, along with potential tips from customers. You have flexible scheduling, a diverse of delivery opportunities, user-friendly app, tip potential, and has no vehicle requirement. However, it has limited availability in Texas only to shine as a favor. Delivery driver, punctuality, professionalism, and careful handling of orders are paramount. Positive interactions and great service can boost your earnings and reputation. Their site is favordelivery.com. Number 10 is Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is an exciting opportunity for independent contractors to deliver Amazon packages and Whole Foods groceries. Established with flexibility in mind, Amazon Flex offers the freedom to set your own schedule. To become an Amazon Flex driver, you must be at least 21 years old, possess a valid driver's license, own a 4-door vehicle in good condition, pass a background check, and have a smartphone with the Amazon Flex app. Once approved, you can start signing up for delivery blocks through the Amazon Flex app. These blocks typically span 2 to 4 hours and can be tailored to your schedule and earnings goals. Amazon Flex drivers are compensated per delivery, with pay varying based on location and time of day. On average, drivers can expect to earn between $18 and $25 per hour, with additional tips from customers. You have flexibility in scheduling, earning potential and tips, efficient app for navigation, and wide variety of delivery opportunities. However, no mileage reimbursement and a 4-door vehicle requirement to excel as an Amazon Flex driver. Accuracy, professionalism, and responsive customer service are crucial. Efficiently handling deliveries and interacting positively with customers can contribute to your success. Their site is flex.amazon.com. Number 11 is DeliverThat. DeliverThat is a food delivery service that's making waves in the industry. They mainly deliver meals to businesses. To join the DeliverThat team as a driver, you'll need to meet these prerequisites. Be at least 18 years old. Hold a valid driver's license. Own a car in good condition. Pass a background check. And have a smartphone with the DeliverThat app. Once you're approved, it's time to hit the road. Delivery requests will come your way through the DeliverThat app. You have full control over which requests you accept, allowing you to work on your terms. DeliverThat drivers are compensated per delivery, with payment varying based on factors like delivery distance and time of day. On average, you can expect earnings between $10 and $25 per delivery, and don't forget those customer tips. Their peak hours are usually between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. You get to set your own schedule. Deliver from a variety of restaurants, access to earning bonuses, daily cash outs for quick payments, high earning potential up to $25 per delivery. However, availability is limited to select cities and you must meet vehicle requirements. Their site is DeliverThat.com. So, are you ready to shine as a delivery driver? Then follow these few key strategies. Time is of the essence in the delivery world. Factor in traffic and possible delays when estimating your delivery time. Customers appreciate punctuality. Your friendly demeanor can make a lasting impression. Greeting customers with a warm smile and a thank you for choosing ABC Company shows professionalism and will go a long way. Customers trust you to deliver their meals intact. Treat each order with the utmost care, ensuring that it reaches them in perfect condition and on time. And there you have it, folks. 11 food delivery companies that offer a flexible and rewarding opportunity for those looking to earn extra income. While each company comes with its own set of pros and cons, it's crucial to weigh them carefully before deciding if this type of job is the right fit for you. By following these success tips, you'll be well on your way to delivering not just food, but fantastic experiences to customers in your community. So if you're ready to hit the road, embrace flexibility and satisfy cravings, becoming a food delivery driver could be your next exciting adventure. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy YouTubing from WebBiz Market.